Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to force quit apps on Mac. If an app gets unresponsive and it can't quit normally, to quit normally either open the app, then click on Command Q on your keyboard and hold so it will quit that app. Or you can do it by opening the context menu on the app on the dock. So to do it, either on trackpad, click with both fingers. On your magic mouse or any other mouse, right click to open the context menu, or hold down on Control and then click, and it will also open the context menu and you can click on quit. But if that for some reason doesn't work and the app cannot quit, you can force quit it. To force quit it, open the context menu any way that you like. So I'm gonna do it with Control and single click, and then press down on Option, and it's gonna change quit to force quit. Now you can click on force quit and it will force quit that app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.